Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to download Adobe Illustrator for free using the official 14-day trial. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Adobe Creative Cloud. Click on the first link that appears. On the Adobe website, you'll see an option to start a free trial. Click Start Free Trial. You'll be presented with three choices: individual, business, and student teacher. For the longest trial, select the business option, which gives you a 14-day free trial. Click Continue, then enter your email address and proceed. Fill in the required information, including your card details, but don't worry. Adobe won't charge you until the trial ends, and you'll see the fee is set to 0. Once you've completed the sign-up, you'll get a confirmation that your free trial has started. Remember to cancel before the 14 days are up if you don't want to be charged. Next, open a new tab and search for Adobe Creative Cloud app download. Click the first link and download the Creative Cloud app. Once it's downloaded, install and open the app. Sign in using the same email you used for the free trial and set your password, making sure it meets all the requirements. Inside the app, go to the Apps section, find Adobe Illustrator, and click Install. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to use Adobe Illustrator for free for the next 14 days. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to learn how to get lifetime access to Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.